In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your iPhone screen on while listening in the Audible app. If you've ever had your screen dim or lock while you're in the middle of an audiobook, this quick setting will help. We'll turn on a feature inside Audible that keeps your screen awake specifically while you're listening, so you can glance at the timeline, see chapter progress, or use the on-screen controls without your phone going dark. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. Give it a moment to load your library. At the bottom right of the screen, tap the Profile tab. It usually looks like a little person icon and takes you to your account area and app options. From your profile, tap Settings. This opens a list of preferences for how the app behaves. Next, choose Player Settings. This section controls what you see and how the player acts while you're listening. Look for the Timer section. Inside that section, you'll find a toggle labeled Turn Off Auto Lock. Go ahead and switch that on. When this is enabled, Audible will keep your iPhone screen from automatically locking while you're listening to an audiobook in the app. That means the display will stay lit and your controls will remain visible without timing out. A couple of quick tips to make the most of this setting. Because your screen will stay on, your battery will drain faster than usual. If you're planning a long listening session, consider lowering your screen brightness a bit or keeping a charger handy. Also, this only affects the Audible app while you're listening. It doesn't change your iPhone's overall auto lock setting in the system, so other apps will behave normally. If you don't immediately see the turn off auto lock toggle, scroll within player settings until you reach the timer section. It can be a little further down depending on your app version. Once it's on, you can test it by starting an audiobook and letting the phone sit for a minute. The screen should remain on as you listen. And if you ever want to go back to the regular behavior to conserve battery, just return to the same player settings area and switch the toggle off again. It's a simple change you can adjust whenever your needs shift, like when you're commuting, following along with a text companion, or keeping the screen visible on a stand. That's it. With this one setting, your Audible experience becomes smoother and more convenient, keeping your screen awake only when it matters.